Good morning all my dear children. I hope today you all had completed our EVS exam. अच्छे से आप लिखा होगा. Tomorrow you are going to give what? English exam, no? So before that, कल आप English exam देने वाले हो. Before that we can just revise the topics. I am giving you revision for our English exam. Yes, all listen here carefully. No need to write this in your English notebook. ये आपके English की notebook में लिखने का जरूर नहीं है. I am giving you only revision work, okay? We can just revise the topics. So आपको भी कल exam अच्छी से लिख सकता है, okay? So you only have to write. मम्मी आपको heading read करके देगी and आपको लिखना है answers, आपको ही लिखना है, okay? Yes, let's start here. Yes, I am reading the topic. See, write any two rhyming words for the given words. आपको वर्ड्स दिया होगा, आपको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू राइट एनी टू राइमिंग वर्ड्स. एनी टू राइमिंग वर्ड्स. यस, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय राइमिंग वर्ड्स? वर्ड्स एंडिंग विद द सेम साउंड. सी फॉर एग्जांपल NIB. यस, लिसन हियर ऑल. आप सिर्फ आपको देख ही जाना, ठीक है? आपको ये करना है तो कोई भी पेपर में और कोई भी एक होमवर्क बुक में, नहीं है तो रिविजन मीन्स रफ बुक में आपको कर सकता है, नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना, ठीक है? यस, लिसन हियर ऑल. सी NIB, रीड द वर्ड NIB, निब. NIB, निब. ये सेम साउंड की एनी टू राइमिंग वर्ड सब बोलो, सब कोई भी बोलो. Who will say? प्रणीति से NIB, निब. yes. BIB, बीब. yes. BIB, bib. then SIB, sib. सॉरी, ऐसे भी सिब नहीं आएगी, ऐसे पी सिप आएगी ना. BIB, बीप. देन ऐसे RIB, रीप. वेरी गुड. RIB, रीप. ओके. देन टू वर्ड्स हो गए, बिब, रिब. ओके. देन सेकेंड वन, सी BAG, बैग. BAG, बैग. सो एग ऐसे एंड होना चाहिए. से द वर्ड्स. यस. TAG, टैग. TAG, tag is a rhyming word for bag. Yes, then bag, WAG, bag. RAG, rag. ये सब bag के rhyming words है ना. WAG, bag. then RAG, rag, etc. We need only two rhyming words. Okay. Then third one, DOT, dot. DOT, dot. Yes. Say any two rhyming words for dot. Yes. Pot, hot, rot, not, got. बहुत सारी है ना. Dot. POT, pot. Then DOT dot. POT, pot. Then HOT, hot. HOT, hot. S. Okay. Then next word, SUN, sun. SUN, sun. S. Say any two rhyming word for sun. S. Bun, BUN, bun. Then BUN, bun. FUN, fun. FUN, fun. then RUN, run. वो भी है ना. then next one, RED, red. RED, red. S. can you say any two rhyming word for red? S. fed. FED, fed. FED, fed. BED, bed. BED, bed. then can you say any more? TED, ted. वो सब है ना. now you understand how to write two rhyming words. आपको कितना rhyming words पूछा? one rhyming word पूछा तो you have to write only one rhyming word. two rhyming words पूछा तो you have to write two rhyming words. if I ask three rhyming words, you have to write what? three rhyming words. Okay. Yes. See the next one. Next question, opposites. Here you have to give the opposite of the given word. Okay. See, up, up की opposite क्या है? up. S. down. UP, up. DOWN, down. DOWN, down. S. say again, up, down. UP, up. DOWN, down. UP, up. DOWN, down. Very good. Then S. next question, IN, in. S. opposite of in. S. out. OUT, out. OUT, out. S. in, out. IN, in. OUT, out. Then next one, NEAR, near. NEAR, near. Say the opposite of near. यस फॉर, FAR फॉर। आप टीचर के साथ बोल के जाओ, ठीक है। NEAR नियर, FAR फॉर, FAR फॉर, NEAR नियर, FAR फॉर, NEAR नियर, FAR फॉर। ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वन, WET wet, WET wet. Yes, say the opposite of wet. Yes, very good. Dry, DRY dry, DRY dry. You have to write the opposite of wet, no? Yes, WET wet, DRY dry. Yes, say again with me. WET wet, DRY dry. Okay. Then next question. Sorry, next one. HOT hot, HOT hot. Yes, say the opposite of hot. कौन बोलेगा, कौन बोलेगा? HV, say the answer. Yes, hot. Cold, COLD, cold. Hot means गर्म, cold means ठंडी। ये सब हमने लर्न किया है ऑपोजिट के टाइम पे। HOT hot, COLD cold, HOT hot, COLD cold. Okay, then THIN tin, THIN tin, tin fat, fat, FAT fat, THIN tin, FAT fat, THIN tin, FAT fat. Then next one, TALL, TALL tall क्या आएगी? short, SHORT short, SHORT short. S say TALL tall, S SHORT short, TALL tall, SHORT short. Okay, then last one, BIG big, BIG big. S opposite of big, small, SMALL small, SMALL small. S, we can learn it once again. S सब टीचर के साथ बोलो। UP up, DOWN down, UP up, DOWN down. Next one, IN in, S OUT out, IN in, OUT out. Yes, one more time, IN in, OUT out. Then next one, NEAR near, say NEAR near, FAR far, NEAR near, FAR far. Then next one, WET wet, S DRY dry, WET wet, DRY dry. Next one, HOT hot, COLD cold, HOT hot, COLD cold. Then THIN thin, FAT fat, THIN thin, FAT fat. Next one, TALL tall, SHORT short, TALL tall, SHORT short. Very good. Then last one, big small, BIG big, SMALL small, SMALL small. अभी टीचर के साथ बोल के जाओ, आपको इससे होगा, अच्छी से कल लिख सकता है। BIG big, SMALL small. Okay. Yes. See the next question. Give the plural form. Give the plural form. Yes, plural form means singular object. एक ही object होगा तो हम HAT hat, one more अभी two hat. How will we say? Yes, hats. Yes डालना है ना, उसमें क्या डालना है? Yes डालना। Singular में hat, तो plural form में hats. If we are representing one thing, hat, one hat. If two hat, what will you say? Two hat. ऐसे बोलेंगे नहीं. Two hats, three hats, more two or more than two. We have to say what? Hats. S डालना है, ठीक है? Plural form. See, HAT hat. So say the plural form of hat. Yes, hats. HATS hats. Okay. One hat, two or more than two hats. Then, if it is a one tree, we will say tree. TRW tree. More than two. Two or more than two means what we will say? Trees. TREE trees. Yes. TREE trees. Yes. Then next one. FROG frog. Say all FROG frog. One frog. No. If two or more frogs, what will we say? Frogs. Frogs. GS डाल देना. FROGS. FROGS. Then see next one. What is this? Tin, tin. One tin. If two or more tins are there, what will we say? Tins. 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 Okay. Then last one. Bun. Bun. Plural of bun. Buns. 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 Clear all? Plural form कैसे लिखना समझ में आ गई? Then see the next question. Put appropriate article a or an. Yesterday also we learned this one. Article a and an. If it is a consonant sound, we will put what? A. Before that, what we will put? A. And if it is if the word starts with a vowel sound, and before that, what we will put? We have to put what? And. Yes. See. First one. Dash bag. Dash bag. You have to see the first letter. First letter. It is a vowel sound or consonant sound. A. B. B. Consonant sound. A, E vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U vowels. बाकी सब क्या है? Consonant है. So B consonant है. So here we have to put what? A. क्या लिखना है? A लिखना है. ठीक है? You have to see the first letter only. Okay? Yes. मम्मी आपको क्वेश्चन रीड करके देगी. आपको सिर्फ फर्स्ट लेटर देखना है. उधर क्या आएगी आपको ही डालना. ठीक है? मम्मी से हेल्प नहीं लेना. Yes. Bag. A bag. A bag. Then see the next one. Umpire. U-M-P-I-R-E. Umpire. We have to see what? The first letter. First letter, is it a vowel sound or consonant sound? Vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. U है ना? Vowel sound. So here what we will put? We have to put what? An. A-N. An. Okay? Clear all? See the next one. Insect. I-N-S-E-C-T. Insect. We have to see what? The first letter. It is a vowel sound. I. A-E-I-O-U. I. So here what will come? An insect. An insect. Very good. Then see the next one. Tree. T-R-E. Tree. See the first letter. First letter क्या है? T. It is a consonant letter. Consonant sound. T. So here what will come here? A tree. A और an आएगी. A tree और an tree. A tree. A tree. A. Okay. Then last one. O-W-L. Owl. So here also what we will look, what we will see the first letter. First letter को देखना है. That is O. O. A E I O U. It is a vowel sound. So here what will come? An. Owl. An. A N. An. Clear all? Article A and an. Okay. Now we'll see the next question. Next question. Write the correct word for the given pictures. Some pictures are given. And we have to write what? We have to write the correct word for the given picture. Yes. See the first picture. What is this? ये क्या है? Yes, tap. तो ये लाइन में डैश में हमको क्या लिखना है? Tap. T. Say the spelling of tap. 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 S. T. A. P. One more thing. You all have to write in cursive only. cursive में ही लिखना. ठीक है? In all the subjects, EVS, English, Maths, anything. So कोई भी सब्जेक्ट आपको कैसे लिखना है? cursive में ही लिखना. ठीक है? Yes. T-A-P. Tap. Okay? Clear? Then see the next picture. What is this? ये कौन बोलेगा? What is this? Yes. Pranav say. What is this? Yes. Zip. Zip. Yes. Now say the spelling of zip. Z-I-P. Zip. Z-I-P. Z-I-P. Zip. Very good. Then see the next one. What is this? Aradhya, what is this? Yes. Net. Net. Very good. And say the spelling of net. Who will say the spelling of net? Net का spelling कौन बोलेगा? Yes. Kushi, say the spelling of net. Yes. N-E-T. Net. 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 N-E-T. N-E-T. Net. Okay. Then what is this? What is this? Is fan. Fan. So what we have to write here? Fan. Say the spelling of fan. F-A-N. Fan. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Okay. Then last one. Say what is this? Yes, jar. Jar. Now say the spelling of jar. 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 J-A-R. Jar. J-A-R. Line touch करके लिखना. ठीक है? J-A-R. Jar. Yes. Clear this one? Are you clear this question? Okay. Yes. Now see the next Next question. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. See, we have to fill the blank. Picture was given here. वो picture को देके हमको क्या करना है? ये sentence read करके ये blank को fill up करना है, ठीक है? Yes. See the first one. Yes, read with me. He is dash years old. Y-E-A-R-S, years old. Yes, he is how many years old? Yes, 6. What is this? 6. So write the spelling of 6. Yes, I-X, 6. He is 6 years old. Okay, clear? Then next question. Sam has a red dash. Red what? What is this? Dash में क्या लिखना है? What is this? Car. Very good. Car. So write here. C-A-R. Car. Full stop. Then third question. This is my pet dash. This is my pet dash. What is this? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Write dog here. D-O-G. Dog. Okay. Then next question. The dash is hot. The dash is hot. Yes. What is this? Sun. Very good. Sun. Yes. U-N. Sun. The sun is hot. Then last question. The dash sat on a mat. The dash sat on a mat. Yes, what is this? Yes, rat. The rat sat on a mat. R-A-T, rat. Are you clear? How to write the fill in the blanks? How to write? You have to look at the picture and you have to write fill the blank. Okay? Yes. Yes. Next question. Complete the lines. Compo myself. We already learned the compo myself. And here what you have to do, you just have to complete the lines. वो compo की full आपको नहीं लिखना है, just you have to complete the lines. ये dash में आपको fill up करना, ठीक है? See the first one. I am a dash. A combo also we learned yesterday. One more time we can revise. I am a dash. What will come here? I am a, boys will write boy and girls will write girl. Okay? Yes, I am not writing here anything. Boys, you have to write what? Boy, Pranav. Yes, all the boys. Boys will write boy and all the girls will write here girl. Okay? Then, I am writing here girl. Okay? Because I am a girl. So, I am writing girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Okay. Then, next one. Next line. Next sentence. My name is dash. Here you have to write your name. इधर आपकी नाम लिखना, ठीक है? आपकी नाम. Okay. Then next one. I am dash years old. I am what we had learned? 6 years old. I am 6 years old. Okay. Then fourth one. I study in dash. I study in senior KG SR dot KG dot A students will write senior KG A, B students will write senior KG B and senior KG C students will write senior KG C. Okay. Then next one. For example, I am writing here B. Okay. कुछ भी हो, आप A senior KG A में है, then you have to write senior KG A. आप senior KG B में है, then you have to write senior KG B. If you are in senior KG C, you have to write here senior KG C. Yes. Then next one, next point. I live in. Yes, say Surat. S in capital. S-U-R-A-T. Surat. Yes. Are you clear, beta? Combo clear हो गए सबको? Yes. Then see the another question. Look at the picture and write yes or no. Yes or no. Here, what you have to do, you have to look at the picture and you have to read the sentence. A sentence, a question sentence आपको read करना है. Then you have to look at the picture. And if it is yes, you have to write yes here. And if it is no, you have to write what? No. Yes means हाँ. No means नहीं. Okay. See. Yes. First read the question. Is this a ball? Is this a ball? Means a ball है क्या? A ball है? No. A ball है क्या? नहीं. No. So here what we will write? We will write no. Is this a ball? No. This is not a ball. Okay. Then second question. Is this a hut? Is this a hut? A hut है क्या? Is it a hut? Is this a hut? No. This is not a hut. This is what? A post office है ना? Post office है. This is a post office, no? This is not a hut. So what we will write here? No, this is not a hut. So we will write no. Okay? Okay. Then, is this a cup? Is this a cup? Is this a cup? A cup है? Yes, this is a cup. A cup है ना? So हाँ तो हम क्या लिखना है? We have to write what? Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Okay? Yes. Then next question. See. Is this an egg? A egg. Is this an egg? A. Yes, this is an egg. A egg है ना? Yes. So we write what? Y E S. Yes. Do you understand this question also? Okay. Yes, we had revised all the topics here. So you can write your exams tomorrow very well. I hope you all will write very well. And best of luck for your exams. For all the exams, EVS, then next English, then next Maths, then next Drawing, then Gujarati. Okay? Yes. Bye-bye.